Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am playing the Evil Candy Obby with my best friend Val.
Hey guys.
So right now we just gotta go. Come on, let's go.
Ow. Wait, we can't get through. Oh, there's a key over here. Key.
Yay, a key. We unlocked the door. Climb up these boxes. Oh, did I just push you? You're not lagging on my screen. Are you lagging?
No. Oh, I fell.
Oh no. Oh, we will wait for you, best friend, in the vent.
Okay.
I'll just grab the checkpoint.
No.
Did you die again?
Why?
I'm in the vent waiting for you. I'll pause my recording. Okay, Val made it. Let's go.
Wait, where are you?
I'm coming. Oh. Huh. Oh no. I died too. No. Oh no!
There's a compressor. Wait, Jack, you died?
Yes.
I've not left my best friend behind.
No!
No.
Should I just skip the stage?
I
Should I just skip the stage?
died too.
Should we just skip the stage? Should we just?
I'm going to actually try it. If you want to skip that. How do I keep dying?
Okay, I'm on the next stage waiting for you. Okay, guys, Val made it. Let's go.
Whoa, I almost died.
I died.
I'll wait for you. I'm right here.
Okay, let's jump. Okay, there's the next checkpoint.
I almost died.
Oh no!
No, best friend.
Oh hey! Jump. Wait, I can look down.
I can't look down. Best friend, I will wait for you. I'm waiting.
I'm looking down right now. Hey.
Jump. Whoa. I almost died.
You have to be really careful right here. Checkpoint.
I don't want to fall. Jack, wait for me.
I'm waiting. I'm going very slow.
Okay, oh my god, I'm gonna fall off. I'm just running for it. I'm running for it.
I made it!
I made it too. I ran for it. Oh no!
Let me reset real quick.
Jack. You died.
I reset.
I'm waiting for you.
Wait a minute.
Jack, run. Hey. I just ran for it.
Yeah, the safe is kind of easy, but you gotta be careful. Ah!
I'm waiting for you.
Okay, let's go. This way.
Uh-oh.
Oh god, we're gonna get eaten.
Lost.
We're gonna get eaten, I know it. I got eaten!
I died. Wait for me.
Okay, I'm just gonna grab this checkpoint. Ew, he ate us. Dodge this drool.
I died.
Let me pause my recording. You too. Okay, guys, Val made it. Let's go. Dodge this drool. Oh no. Oh!
Whoa, where are we?
I don't know.
It's me.
Next checkpoint. I got it. This stuff looks disgusting. I wouldn't suggest touching it.
Jack, I died.
Oh no, I'll pause my recording. You too.
I didn't want him. Because in my last video I did, so I didn't want
Okay,
him.
let's go. So, I thought Val was doing face cam, but he's not. Oh no, you died. I'm still going. I'll be waiting for you on the next checkpoint.
Okay.
Let me pause my recording. Okay, guys, Val made it. Let's go.
I made it.
Ah! Oh, there's lollipops everywhere.
I died.
He's eating a lot of lollipops. I'll wait for you on the next checkpoint. I'm climbing up his like spine. Yeah, I'm not gonna go out.
How does not feel that?
Yeah, I don't know how he doesn't feel us climbing on his spine. Let's go. I'm going up ahead of you. Ew!
Just go.
Go!
Just go.
Avoid it! I made it!
I made it too.
Let's go, we gotta avoid this.
1, 4, 1.
Oh god.
I just.
Ooh, I got the checkpoint. I'll wait for you. Let me pause my recording. Okay guys, Val made it. So let's go. On to floor 2.
Floor 2.
Oh my gosh.
Floor 2 is butted.
Oh gosh.
Floor 2.
Ah! Oh my gosh.
Jack, meet me there.
Okay. I'll pause my recording. Okay guys, Val made it. So now let's go.
Oh, this part is gonna be hard.
You gotta go slow.
Whoa.
Don't jump. You gotta go slow. Oh, he's trying to get ahead of us. He got ahead of us. He pushed you.
Yeah.
He jumped so he could get ahead of us.
What? I had to restart the whole entire thing?
Oh no, I died.
Jack, I have to restart the whole entire thing.
Oh, shoot.
We both have to.
It's so easy for me though.
Yeah, it is for you, but not me.
I made it! On my first try. Okay guys, Val made it. So now, let's go. Okay, follow me. This is really hard. Super careful. Don't jump. You just gotta stay still.
My game's lagging. It was.
Be so careful.
Guys, I will be back. I'll be right back. I'm going to pause. And when I get to the ladder, I will start recording.
Okay, I'm still recording. Ooh, here we go. Did you do that to get ahead of me?
Yeah, I got ahead of you.
Is that the reason you did that?
No, I just saw a guy do it, so I did it.
Yeah, he did it so he could cheat and get ahead of us.
Okay, I made it towards the ladder. Now I'm just waiting for Jack.
Coming. Okay, got there. Ooh.
Let's go.
Oh, whoa. Let's get the checkpoint real quick.
Get the checkpoint. Wait, Jack. Whoa, what?
Let's die real quick.
Blip. Blip, blip, blip,
Blip, blip, blip, blip, blip, blip, blip, blip. What the heck?
Why does it keep telling us what's back here? Yeah, it says we're on level 17.
Yeah, but it keeps teleporting us back here.
Let's just complete the stage again.
Okay, let's go. Because it keeps on teleporting us back there.
I'm gonna pause my recording again until I get to the ladder.
Okay, I just jumped over there.
Yeah. Oh, I almost died. No!
Oh no, I made it to the ladder.
I died. Wait for me, okay? Wait for me.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. I'm going to pause my recording.
Press the stage.
Yeah, we're just going to end it off here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Say bye, Val.
Bye.